Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something super cool for all the car enthusiasts out there, the Neon Flex LED strip for cars, model 2026. This upgrade isn't just about looks, it brings style, safety and standout performance, all in one flexible package. Starting off with the exterior, the Neon Flex LED strip 2026 adds an eye-catching glow to your vehicle that instantly turns heads. Whether you're going for that underglow effect, outlining your headlights, or running lights along the sides, the vibrant LEDs deliver a bold and modern look. The strip is made from high-quality silicone that's not only flexible but also weatherproof, meaning it'll hold up against rain, dust, and heat without fading or losing brightness. It fits easily on any surface and molds smoothly to curves and corners, so you can get creative with placement. Moving to the interior, the LED strip adds a sleek ambient glow inside your car. Perfect for lining the dashboard, doors, or under seats, it gives the cabin a clean, stylish vibe without being overwhelming. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with adhesive backing and optional clips, so you can get that premium interior feel without a trip to the shop. In terms of performance, this LED strip is a powerhouse. It runs on 12 volts DC power, making it compatible with virtually all vehicles. The LEDs are high lumen and energy efficient, so they shine bright while keeping battery consumption low. Whether you're cruising at night or parked at a show, the lights maintain consistent color and intensity. Some versions even offer RGB color control through a remote or mobile app, so you can switch up the mood on demand. Safety-wise, this product actually brings more than just style. Enhanced visibility is a big plus, especially for nighttime driving. The exterior lighting helps define your car's shape in low light, making you more visible to other drivers. And because the LEDs don't flicker or fade, you won't have to worry about sudden outages or distractions while driving. What makes the Neon Flex LED strip 2026 stand out is its balance of quality, flexibility, and ease of use. It's universal, meaning it works with all car types: sedans, trucks, SUVs, or bikes. The material is high-grade and durable, yet super easy to work with. Add in features like remote or app control, color customization, and quick install, and it's clear this isn't your average strip light. As for price, the Neon Flex LED strip model 2026 offers great value. Depending on the length and features, it typically ranges between $25 and $45. For a full custom look with solid performance and added safety, it's a steal. To wrap it up, the Neon Flex LED strip 2026 is more than just an accessory. It's an upgrade that transforms your vehicle's appearance and visibility inside and out. If you're looking to add style, boost safety, and turn heads without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car gear reviews and custom upgrades.